அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பயோஜுவாலஜி வால்யூம் 1ல் இருக்கிற இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன்மார்க்கை பார்க்க போகிறோம். சாப்டர் 1. There are about 8.7 million species of animals which have been identified, named, described and classified. இதை நீங்கள் திரும்பி கேட்டிங்கன்னா டிஆர்பி, டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, நீட்டு இதுக்கெல்லாம் இந்த 1 மார்க் உதவும். +1 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு. A study reports that 86% of all species on the land and 91% of those in the seas are yet to be discovered, described and catalogued. 100% without mistakes you can read with belief. Our task must be to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty. Albert Einstein. Ecosystem is commonly of living organisms, plants and animals, non-living environment including minerals, climate, soil, water, sunlight and their interrelationships. A.G. Tansley, 1935. The term biodiversity was first introduced by Walter Rosen, 1985 and defined by E.D. Wilson. The word taxonomy was coined by Augustin Pyramus de Candolle, 1813. Aristotle is called the father of taxonomy, classical. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of modern taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of modern taxonomy. Aristotle 384 to 322 BC was the first to classify all animals in his History of Animals, Historia Animalium in Latin. Aristotle's classification system had limitations and many organisms were not fitting into his classification. Aristotle's classification system was followed more than 2000 years, up to 1700. After Aristotle, his student Theophrastus 372 to 287 BC continued his research on the classification of plants and he was known as the father of botany. English naturalist John Ray 1627 to 1705 wrote several important works through his life. In 1682 he published the Methodus Plantarum Nova, which contained about 18,000 plant species, a result of a relatively narrow species concept. The Swedish biologist Carolus Linnaeus 1707 to 1788, father of modern taxonomy and founder of modern systematics, developed a scientific system of taxonomy and binomial nomenclature which is still with modifications in use. Aristotle to Linnaeus employed easily observable single to few traits for classification of organisms. Ernest Haeckel introduced the method of representing evolutionary relationship with the help of tree diagram known as cladogram. R.H. Whittaker 1969 proposed the 5 kingdom classification. 3 domain classification was proposed by Carl Woese 1977 and his co-workers. In 1987, Cavalier Smith revised the 6 kingdom system to 7 kingdom system. Biological nomenclature derives from the binomial nomenclature that was originally codified in the works of Linnaeus. Species Plantarum 1753 and Systema Naturae 10th edition 1758. Scientists have discovered a new and unusual species of frog in the Western Ghats in India in August 2017. Dr. Subramaniam Bhubadi, herpetologist who lost his life in the Western Ghats in 2014. There are presently more than 6,000 languages in the world, and the animal can be named in more than 6,000 ways. In July 2017, a 9-year-old boy discovered a new freshwater species of jellyfish in Kodaikanal Lake, Tamil Nadu. Aringer Anna Zoological Park, also known as the Vandalur Zoo, is in the southwestern part of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Spreads over an area of 1,500 acres, is one of the largest zoological parks in India. The zoo houses 2,553 species of both flora and fauna. Chapter 2. Filariasis has been a major public health problem in India, next only to malaria. The disease was recorded in India as early as 6th century BC by the famous Indian physician Sushruta in his book Sushruta Samhita. Number 2. In 7th century AD, Madhavagara described signs and symptoms of the disease in his treatise Madhava Nidana, which holds good even today. In 1709, Clark identified elephantoid legs in Cochin. The microfilariae in the peripheral blood was first identified by Lewis in 1872 in Calcutta. Now it is Kolkata. This is the largest phylum of the animal kingdom, Animalia, and includes the largest class called Insecta. Largest phylum is Arthropoda. Total species ranges from 2 to 10 million. Salim Muhyiddin Abdul Ali is the leading pioneer of Indian ornithology and generally referred as Birdman of India. He was born on 12th November 1896 in Bombay, and he was the most respected and influential naturalist of 20th century in India. He passed away on 20 June 1987. Government of India honored him with the award of Padma Bhushan in 1958 and Padma Vibhushan 1976. He was nominated to Rajya Sabha in 1985. In 1990, Government of India started a national research institution in his honor called Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History, SAKAN, in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The main campus of SAKAN is situated in the Sylvan surrounding of Anekatti, 24 kilometers northwest of Coimbatore city, within the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. More than 50 research scholars have completed PhD in ornithology and natural history from SAKAN in its 25 years of existence. Next is chapter 3. Adipocytes, commonly called adipose or fat cells, predominate and account for 90% of this tissue mass. This long, narrow muscle runs from the elbow to the wrist and is important for hanging and clamping in primates. Is missing in 11% of human's body. Chapter 4. Mainly we are seeing number. In each point there is a number. Number questions. You have seen, I think so, my dear students. Lambito maruti is 80 to 210 millimeter in length with a diameter of 3.5 to 5 millimeter. Lambito maruti consists of about 165 to 190 segments. In mature worms, segments 14 to 17 may be found swollen with a glandular thickening of the skin called the glatellum. Due to the presence of glatellum, the body of an earthworm is divided into free glatellar region, first to 13th segments, glatellar region 14th to 17th segments, and post glatellar region after the 17th segment. The dorsal pores are present from the 10th segment onwards. Supramethical openings are 3 pairs of small ventrolateral apertures lying intersegmentally between the grooves of the segments 6 by 7, 7 by 8 and 8 by 7. That meaning 6th to 7th segment, 7th to 8th segment, 8th to 9th segment. In that it is there. The female genital aperture lies on the ventral side in the 14th segment, and a pair of male genital apertures are situated lateroventrally in the 18th segment. Microchetus rapi is an African giant earthworm, can reach a length of 6.7 meter, 22 feet. Dravida nilamburensis is a South Indian Kerala species of earthworm and can reach a maximum length up to 1 meter, 3 feet. The mouth opens into the buccal cavity which occupies the first and second segments. A small narrow tube esophagus lies in the 5th segment and continues into a muscular gizzard in the 6th segment. Intestine starts from the 7th segment and continues till the last segment. In Metaphry postuma, the 26th segment has a pair of short conical outgrowths called intestinal caecae. It is extended anteriorly up to the 22nd segment. In the anterior part of the body, the dorsal vessel is connected with the ventral vessel by 8 pairs of commissural vessels or the lateral hearts lying in the 6th to 13th segments. The bilobed mass of nervous tissue called suprapharyngeal ganglia lies on the dorsal wall of the pharynx. In the 3rd segment is referred as the brain. The ganglion found below the pharynx in the 4th segment is called the subpharyngeal ganglion. Pharyngeal or tufted nephridia present as paired tufts in the 5th to 9th segments. Micronephridia ciliated the glandular and muscular region. Integumentary nephridia attached to the lining of the body wall from the 14th segment to the last, which open on the body surface. Meganephridia or septal nephridia present as fair on both sides of intersegmental septa of the 19th segment to the last and open into intestine. The male reproductive system, 2 pairs of testes are present in 10th and 11th segments. We are seeing about cockroach. The vasa differentia run up to the 18th segment, which they open to the exterior through the male genital aperture. A pair of prostate glands lies in the 18th to 19th segments. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries lying in the 13th segment. Ovarian funnels are present beneath the ovaries which continue into the oviducts. They join together and open on the ventral side as the single median female genital pore in the 14th segment. Spermatheca or seminal receptacles are 3 pairs lying in segments 7th, 8th and 9th opening to the exterior on the ventral side between 6th and 7th seventh and eighth and ninth segments. Earthworms have their most important organ in the first 20 segments. If earthworm gets cut after the 20th segment, the anterior half can regenerate while the posterior half shall disintegrate after some time. After about 2 to 3 weeks, each cocoon produces baby earthworms. These cocoons have an incubation period of about 14th to 18th days, after which they catch to release juveniles. The juveniles undergo changes into non-glytellate forms in phase 1 after about 15th days, which then develops a glytellum called the glytellate at the end of the growth phase 2, taking 15 to 17 days to complete. During the reproductive stage, earthworms copulate and later shed their cocoons in the soil. After about 10 days, the life cycle of Lambito maruti takes about 16 days to complete. The adult cockroach are about 2 to 4 cm in length and about 1 cm in width. The cockroaches are ancient and most basic among all groups of insects, dating back to the Carboniferous period about 320 million years ago. The abdomen in both male and female consists of 10 segments. In females, the 7th sternum is boat-shaped and together with the 8th and 9th sterna forms a brood or genital pouch whose anterior parts contains female gonophore, spermatical pores, collateral glands, and posterior parts constitute the oothecal chamber in which the cocoons are formed. In males, the genital pouch lies at the hind end of the abdomen, bound dorsally by 9th and 10th tertia and ventrally by the 9th sternum. Male bears a pair of short and slender anal scales in the 9th sternum, which are absent in the female. In both sexes, the 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci and bears sense organs that is respective to vibrations in air and land. The 7th sternum of male has a pair of large and oval apical lobes or gynovalvular plates which form a key-like structure which distinguishes the male from the female. One of the fastest moving land insects is the cockroach. They can move as fast as 5.4 km per hour. The kind gut is marked by the presence of 100 to 150 yellow-colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules which are helpful in removal of the excretory products from the hemolymph. Branched tubes known as trachea open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles or stigmata present on the lateral side of the body. Cockroach can hold its breath for 45 minutes and can even survive being submerged underwater for half an hour. The heart consists of 13 chambers with ostia on either side. The triangular muscles that are responsible for blood circulation in the cockroach are called alari muscles, 13 pairs. The double ventral nerve cord is solid ganglionated and arises from the subesophageal ganglion and extends up to the 7th abdominal segment. Each eye is formed up about a cockroach can hold its breath for 45 minutes and can even survive being submerged underwater for half an hour. They hold their breath often to help regulate loss of water. The double ventral nerve cord is solid ganglionated and arises from the subesophageal ganglion and extends up to the 7th abdominal segment. Each eye is formed of about 2000 simple eyes called the ommatidia. The Malpighian tubules are thin, long, filamentous, yellow-colored structures attached to at the junction of midgut and hindgut. These are about 100 to 150 in number and are present in 6 to 9 bundles. A pair of 3 lobed testes lies on the lateral side of the 4th and 6th abdominal segments. A pair of ovaries lies laterally in the 2nd and the 6th abdominal segment. A pair of spermatheca is present in the 6th segment, which opens by a median aperture in the dorsal wall of the genital pouch. Genital pouch is formed by the 7th, 8th and 9th abdominal sterna. Ootheca is a dark reddish to blackish brown capsule about 12 mm long, which contains nearly 16 fertilized eggs and dropped or glued to a suitable surface, usually in crack or crevice of high relative humidity near a food source. On an average, each female cockroach produces nearly 15 to 40 oothecae in its lifespan of about 1 to 2 years. The embryonic development occurs in the ootheca, which takes nearly 5 to 13 weeks. The nymph grows by molting or egg dices about 13 times to reach the adult form. Many species of cockroaches are wild. About 13 cockroach species out of 4,600 are associated with human habitats. Females can catch up to 150 offspring per year. Brown-banded cockroaches often hide their eggs in or under furniture. They usually live for 5 to 6.5 months. Each German cockroach can live about 100 to 200 days. About 360 million years ago, amphibians were the first vertebrates to live on land. There are about 4,500 species of amphibians. The blood consists of plasma 60% and blood cells 40%, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Thank you, my dear viewers. This is your Palaniraj from Tamil Nadu, Namakkal district. Thank you.